Hi, and welcome to another episode on our Google AI Educator Series. In this session, we're going to be looking at how you can adapt or re-level specific materials to meet your students' need. We know that teaching early years in particular can be a real challenge. Whether you're in reception or key stage one, it's a constant balancing act, trying to make sure that each of your students is able to learn the key skills that they need, while the rest of the class sometimes is trying to move ahead. So balancing all of this and navigating all of this and coming up with differentiated materials can be a real challenge. But this is exactly where Gemini can support you. So think about the work that you're doing now. You might have five students who are stuck on a particular word sound while the rest of the class is moving on, or you might have some who are struggling with a particular element of numeracy. So wouldn't it be useful for us to be able to come up with different differentiated materials in order to support these ones? And we know that these materials are never one size fits all. You might have a student still tracing the letter M, while another classmate is already blending multi-syllabic words together. And it can be a chaotic spectrum of learning, can't it? So we're going to look how we can particularly use Gemini as a way to bridge these gaps and to come up with different skill level activities supporting that differentiated approach while maintaining student engagement. So here we are in the Gemini app itself. So I'm going to post in a prompt to generate three versions of a maths story problem about dinosaurs for my year one UK class. Level one, addition within 10, using simple three-word sentences. Level two is addition within 20. And then level three is a missing add end problem. And I've asked to keep the reading level low so that they can read their problems on their own. So we can ask Gemini to help us to come up with these learning materials at these different levels. So here's what Gemini has come up with. We've got level one, our emerging group, strict three-word sentences: four dinos walk, three dinos run, count the dinos, how many now? 14 green dinosaurs are eating leaves, five more green dinosaurs come to eat. How many are there? And so on and so forth. So we've got a really nice a differentiated three-level problem here. And of course, what we would do at this point is we would check through to see if there's any difficult words that they might struggle with. I think this all looks fine at the minute. They haven't used paleontologist or something something along those lines. So now I've got this, I want to be able to take these problems and put them easily into a worksheet. So I'm going to ask Gemini now to put these into a table and add a new column on the right for answers so that students have a specific place to write their maths sentence. So we can just ask Gemini to go ahead and do that. So we've now got a nice table that we can copy directly into our worksheet. So we could just easily copy this response here and then just paste it into our worksheet, and then we're ready to go with our class. So that was really quickly and easily in a few moments. We've got a really nice three-level set problem for our class. So let's move back over to our presentation now. So now it's your turn. Why don't you go to gemini.google.com and practice making a math story problem about maybe outer space is the suggestion here. So maybe pause the video and then we can come back and reflect in a moment. So, how did your problems turn out? Maybe having like one cohesive theme like outer space helps you to maintain a sense of a one classroom community while having those different differentiated levels amongst there. Is it still appropriate to your class year group? If not, continue to work with Gemini and iterate to come up with the materials that you need. So hopefully you've seen there how we can use Gemini to come up with very easily and quickly differentiated materials for whatever age group your class is at, whether you are at the early years as we've seen here, or whether you're teaching high school problems. So maybe you're now ready go and get certified again. So take a quiz, scan this QR code, and get yourself another one of our Google Educator Series badges. So thank you for listening today, and we'll catch you on the next session.